Right now, dozens of people in Minnesota and Wisconsin have become sick from an E. coli and Salmonella outbreak. Health officials have linked to alfalfa sprouts produced in Minneapolis. From jalapenos to lettuce to sprouts, foodborne illnesses have made lots of headlines this summer. Is it an unusually bad summer for food safety, or are officials just getting better at finding these outbreaks? That's the question. Ian Russell took that to experts and joins us with more, possibly an answer, Ian.
Yeah, well, Kevin, keep in mind, we're still in that peak growing season, or at least the tail end of it, which can create a better environment for bacteria to grow since it's warmer and more humid. Though experts I talk with do tell me that after COVID, people are much more aware when something doesn't feel right with their bodies. And now we can add sprouts to the list of produce that has gotten people sick. Even before Thursday's announcement from the Department of Health,
they are already a pretty risky food item.
U of M statewide food safety extension educator Autumn Stoll says she could have seen this coming.
It's not a rare occurrence, and it's not something that was like a total surprise.
The Minnesota and Wisconsin Departments of Health announcing Thursday that multiple cases of E. coli and Salmonella have been linked to alfalfa sprouts grown here in Minnesota. In total, at least 23 Minnesotans and 17 Wisconsinites have become sick from this, including cases in other states. The department's pointing to alfalfa sprouts sold under the Cowco and Everything Sprout brands. The FDA issued a warning letter to Everything Sprouts last year, revealing, quote, serious violations, including insanitary conditions.
When you have things like sprouts or lettuce, when they're watered with water that's contaminated, it's going to go up inside the produce, and you can't wash that away.
It's not the first time we've seen a recall of fresh produce this summer. Lettuce from Taylor Farms was linked as the potential source of a cyclospora outbreak. Jalapenos from Coast Citrus distributors were also recalled, linked to a Salmonella outbreak.
I would say if it's a part of the recall, get rid of it or follow the instructions.
Those instructions important now, as officials say the number of cases are likely to go up as they keep investigating.
I don't want people to be afraid to eat fresh produce, but we do encourage folks to keep eating local foods, fresh produce, getting out, going to restaurants, enjoying good food, but just sort of being more mindful of their actions.
Now, those state departments of health are still investigating this, but I did talk to another food safety expert this afternoon who said this also could have been inside the seeds themselves. Still keeping an eye out, though, for any information from the Department of Health on that front, Kevin.
So bottom line, be careful for now.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.